Alright, so, fuck it. So, got the chain on like you saw last time. Down here, we got, finally, after several days of trying, we got the motor mount bolts out. I unfortunately had to resort to drilling them out because we stripped the heads on them because they were so fucking tight. But she's about ready to come out. I don't think this is good for any type of shock. Fuck you, Goldberg. The brakes is not my fault. It's kind of coming off. I don't know. Stop staring at my ass. You see a crack right there. Fucking Jesus. And the engine overall is loose and higher up than normal. So that's good. We actually ended up never taking out the O2 sensor because we don't have a socket for it, and we're probably just going to destroy it and order a new one like we destroyed the motor mounts and have to order new ones of those. We'll see. I gotta get some fucking water. This is absolutely ridiculous, by the way. If you can afford to take your Subaru to a shop, highly recommend it because I'm untrained. I'm not a professional. I've only watched one guy pull out a Subaru motor, and it was on the internet. Well, this is the end of part 3. The engine's out. And next I gotta start tearing this bad boy down. And I was actually excited to do it, and now that I'm looking at it, there's a lot of things that need to come off. But some stuff that we did off camera, because it was in the heat of the moment, literally the heat. There was a pin, well, a big ass pin for the clutch fork in here, and that was a bitch to get out. We used a pry bar against the nut to pry that bitch out of there. Yeah, I mean, other than that, the motor's out, as you just saw. Next part is teardown. Didn't have any issues other than just like things that were difficult to get off. That's really the only thing. But that's expected of a 11-year-old car. So in the next one, I'll start the teardown. Thanks for watching, guys. And if you have any tips or suggestions or whatever, throw them down in the comment section below. Man, I'm bad at this.